Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a 93 Del Sol and it is going to be the project car for the channel. I'm going to give you a quick walk around and then install some parts. So this is the 93 Del Sol. As you can see, it's pretty rough. We got a lot of work to do. Moving on to the interior. As you can see, we've already changed out a little bit of stuff. Got an NRG steering wheel. We have the hub coming in, don't worry. Just ignore this shift knob, it's getting changed. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty stock in here. Nothing really too fancy going on. Previous owner installed some speakers. But yeah, let's get into the install. Alright, so these are the pedals we're going to be installing today. As you can see, they're just stainless steel Mugen pedals. They came in Mugen packaging, but I can't really verify the authenticity of there. You can see the Mugen logo on them. So it should be a pretty simple install. It comes with all the hardware you'll need. Some self-tapping screws to drill into the existing pedals and stuff. It sticks on with 3M tape to make it pretty easy. So let's get these put in the car. So I did a little bit off camera. We already have the old rubber pedals removed, and now we're just going to clean it up a little bit with some brake cleaner, and hopefully the new ones go right on. Just using some generic brake cleaner. These mats are cheap, don't worry about it. You want to get them as clean as you can so the 3M tape sticks. Alright. Now that's done, let's move on to putting on the pedals. So like I mentioned earlier, they all have this kind of 3M tape on the back, so we're going to go ahead and remove that on all the pedals just so we don't have to do it later. Alright, now that we got that off, let's go ahead and grab the first one. Oof, almost dropped it. And let's get it in place. So there's a notch in the bottom of these. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but that's just going to line up to the bottom of the pedal. Alright, that one's on. Let's grab the next one. So same thing, it's just going to line up with this notch. See if I can show you better this time. It's gonna focus. Alright, it doesn't want to focus. There's a notch there, just trust me. Alright. And for the last one, as you guys can see, that pedal, or can't see, that pedal is plastic. So I was unable to get it off. I don't know if it comes off or what, but I have a feeling this one just sticks onto it, which is why they give us these. It's not gonna focus again. These self-tapping screws. Let's see if I can get the focus. Yep, right there. Because I think you're supposed to drill into the plastic. Tell me if I'm wrong down in the comments. The instructions, they're all in Japanese, so if anybody can read Japanese, DM me and I'll send you a photo of it. But I'm pretty sure we're supposed to just drill into the plastic. Alright, we are back inside the car now, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this one lined up. And hopefully it goes on easy. So yeah, that one just sticks on. I think once we have the self-tappers screwed into there, it's gonna hold it pretty tight. Alright, so next up we have these little brackets that you have to install on the back of the pedals. It's gonna be really hard to show you guys this, so I'll probably just do it and show you what I did whenever I'm done. Be back in a sec. So just a quick update. I ended up taking off the pedals again and starting one side of the bracket just to make it so much easier to get this bracket on, because the side closest to the driver, so the driver's side, is nearly impossible to get to line up without doing this. Just an FYI. Alright guys, so we got 2 of the pedals installed. Just got to install the screws on that third one, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so like I said, the instructions are pretty vague. It looks like they just take these and drill straight into that plastic pedal. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, hopefully it works. Alright, so just a quick recap. We installed these pedals today, and this camera doesn't want to focus. They are the Mugen, I believe Mugen style. I don't think they are real Mugen, but we 3M taped and then put the brackets on the back of them. The brackets are really hard to show you how we did that. It just takes a lot of finagling. But yeah, that is the final product. They feel pretty good. They're pretty solid. Don't really see them moving around. I'm driving too much. But yeah, that's it. Just want to say thanks for watching. We have a lot to come for this car. We plan on keeping the original motor and just building it. So it's a D16. We'll see how much power we can make out of it. We plan on doing that within the next couple months, just go ahead and pulling it and building it from the ground up. Aside from that, we have an NRG quick release hub coming in sometime soon, as well as the exhaust for the Del Sol. So stay tuned, and more videos will be on the way.